What's the meaning of bygone? Bygone. Bygone.
Bygone. Bygone. The word bygone refers to something from a past time that is no longer present or relevant in the present. It is often used to describe things that have been forgotten, lost, or left behind. Bygone can also be used to refer to nostalgic memories of former times or events that are no longer experienced in the same way as they were in the past. Overall, bygone is a term that carries a sense of wistfulness and longing for what has come before, but can never be fully recaptured or relived in the present.